how to use Slack for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Slack and how you can use it to manage your projects. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now over here I'm on the Slack's website, slack.com, and over here we can quickly go ahead and get into it by clicking on try for free. The sign up process is completely free, although there is a pricing plan later on which I will tell you about. Now you can either click on try it for free and enter in your email address and other information that they ask for, or you can just simply click on the sign up with Google. I'm going to go ahead and sign up with Google, and I'll catch you guys in a second. All right, so over here, once you do that, they're going to ask you to create a workspace. All right, so simply click on create a workspace if this is your first time creating a workspace on a different email. Over here you just enter in the name of your company or your team, and just simply click on next. Connect with Google. As I said before, you can connect your Google account and they'll suggest a few people for you to invite, or you can skip this step altogether. It all depends on you. I'm going to skip for now. And then over here you just enter in the budget, or your project, or whatever it is that your team could be working on. So we'll just say we're working on Zinho voiceovers, and click on next. And then over here you just simply add in your email address for your team. All right, you can do this later on as well, or if you want you can go ahead and do this now so that it's out of the way. Right, for now I'm just simply going to be using a temporary email. Copy this, paste it over here, create another temp email, copy that and paste it over here as well. Now we just simply click on add teammates over here. Boom, it's good to go. Let me see if I have any email. Nothing. Oh, I have one. Okay, so let's just click over here and we'll just click on join now. All right, so as you can see, it's launching your project. Just wait for a couple of seconds. Once it's done, you can go ahead and use it on your computer or on your desktop app. If you already have it installed on your desktop app, then it'll ask you to open the Slack on your desktop app. But if it's not, you can just simply use Slack in your browser. Simply click on the button over here and you are good to go. And over here, this is how it looks like. And over here, as you can see over here on the left side, we have some options. We have channels. This is going to be our workspace, and underneath workspace we're going to have our channels, and then these channels we have our direct messages if we want to use them. Right, so over here, if you wanted to create a new channel, all you would have to do is click on add channel and click on create a new channel. And over here you can name the new channel if you want, let's say for help, and you can add the description over here as well. You can even make the private, but you don't need to since it's help. And then you just simply click on create new channel. All right, and then you can add the specific people over here if you want to, or you can add all three members of the one media or your project into it. And once you do that, all of the people are going to be added over here, and it's pretty simple. That's how you do it. And then you can also go into the settings of this channel and go ahead and add integrations. All right, so over here you can see you have integrations. You can add in the workflow integrations and emails to the channel and stuff like that, but that is for the pro plan. You can't use that on the free plan, but it is still there. And then over here, if you click on more, you will have Slack Connect, channel browser, file browser, people and users, and applications. You can go ahead and connect other applications to your Slack account so that you can better your team's workflow and manage them better as well. If you click over here, you have tools. As I said before, workflow builder and analytics. Now these are the two things that you will only get if you are using the pro plan. If you're using the free plan, you won't be able to use them. It's pretty simple, and everything is really just over here. Basically helps you to stay connected to your team members. You can log in, you can sign in, you can directly connect people to it, and other things. You can go into the applications, as I said before. So over here, if you wanted to connect a application to the general tab, let's say you wanted to click an integration, you come over here and click on find apps. Right, and in applications you will find all these different applications that you can use. So you have Zapier, you have Asana, you have Teamline, you have the GoTo meetings, you have all these different ones as well. So you can even connect ClickUp as well. Let me see, there we go. So over here, just simply click on install ClickUp and you can install your application to your Slack account. Therefore, all the projects that are being handled on ClickUp, you will be able to view them on Slack. And whenever someone shifts a tasks from one board to another board, you will get a notification. Then people can easily directly message you on Slack, and you can overall create a better workflow. Now if you're wondering about the pricing plan, so over here we have these three plans right here. So we have the pro plan, we have the business plus, and then we have the enterprise grind. So for the pro plan, it's going to be 6.67 US dollars, all right, per person. And when billed yearly, $8 per person, all right, per month, one billed monthly. All right, keep that in mind. And the top features you're gonna get is unlimited message archives, unlimited apps, group calls with screen sharings, work securely with other organizations using Slack Connect, great audio and video quality and clips right in Slacks, lightweight voice only conversations with Slack huddles as well. Whereas if you choose the business plus model, it's gonna cost you 12.50 US dollars per person, and this is gonna be for the monthly. But if you go for the yearly, it's gonna be $15 per person per month. And the top features are gonna be 99.99% guarantee uptime SLA, user provisions and deprivations, SAML based single signed SSO, and data exports for all messaging. And then for the enterprise grind, you're gonna have to get contact with Slack so that you can get the price for the enterprise goal. But over here, you're gonna get unlimited workspaces, support data loss and preventions, discover an offline backup provider, and designate customer success teams and HIPAA compliant message and file collaboration as well. So as you can see, they're pretty cool. And then you get other features as well, such as access to the entire message history, 10 gigabyte of storage, unlimited apps and integrations, work and AOT or authentication with Google, two-factor authentication settings. You have a bunch of different other ones as well. So choose whichever plan you want, you feel comfortable with, and you are good to go. And you have all these other plans as well. So you can go ahead and pause this video right here, so that you can view them. I'm gonna let you guys see all of this. You can go ahead and pause this video right now and see it, because it's quite a long list, and if I were to start naming each and every single one of these, it would take quite a long time. So just simply gonna go ahead and you can pause this video right now and see all of the designs and see all of the features, or you can come over to the website right here and slack.com, and you can go ahead and see all the pricing plans and stuff like that. So if you've watched the video so far, then you know now how this website works perfectly and how you can use it to make money online, and how you can use it to start your own business online as well. Just make sure to do everything I did in the video in a step-by-step manner, and you'll be good to go. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification, as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Your support to the channel means a lot, and also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online, or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.